Hey everybody, we're going to be doing a quick unboxing information video on a Milwaukee grinder, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so this is the 4.5 inch to 6 inch braking grinder, paddle switch, no lock. It is item number 2980-21. This one comes with the grinder, one high output 6.0 battery, M18 and M12 rapid charger, and a contractor bag. The specifications on the box: wheel diameter is 4.5 to 6 inch. Switch type is paddle switch, no lock. Spindle is a 5/8 spindle by 11. RPMs is 9,000. Length is 17 inches. Weight is 7.6 pounds. Overload protection, yes. Electronics, yes. Tool-free accessory change, yes. Tool-free guard, yes. And anti-vibration handle, yes. It's got pretty much the same stuff that everything does in the back. Nothing really fancy. Generates 13 amps of corded power is what it says. And I would consider this similar to the Flex Volt grinder. 4.5 inch to 6 inch grinder. Box. Bag. I do like the Milwaukee bags. Got your charger manual and the 2980 and the 2981 instruction pamphlet. The only difference between the 2980 and the 2981 is the 2981 is a slide switch with a lock, where you can lock the switch on. The one I have, it just got, is not. It's just a paddle. Comes with your little code for your monthly drawing. Little Milwaukee pamphlet. It's pretty organized in here. So here's charger. It is a M12 M18 rapid charger. So we got another rapid charger, which is nice. I like the rapid chargers, they work well. Move this cardboard out of the way. This is more than likely the battery. Right here. Yep, the battery. Move the box out the way. Here is the 6.0 high output. It has 1 bar on charge. So we're going to pop this on the charger. This is a guard. Looks like the 6 inch guard. Yep. 152 millimeter type 27 guard. Here's the wrench. Here is the handle. The handle's actually really nice. And the grinder. Move the bag out the way. Here's the grinder. It's got a nice skinny profile for the paddle switch. Is actually kind of nice. This section is not huge. I have a Bosch grinder with a paddle, and the handle is a good inch and a half, almost 2 inches thicker. So this is actually pretty comfortable. It has your vents. You should be able to pop the vents off. Yeah. So you can clean the vents. It's got 2 threads sides for the handle, which is left and right. There is not an option on the top. You have your spindle lock. It is pretty greasy. This one does have you can use the spudger wrench, or you can use the flip up. This one actually has the flip up handle. So you just spin it off by hand, which is a nice feature. There it goes. It was a little crooked. I'm gonna have to tighten this screw because this was kind of bound. I'll have to read the instructions. I'm not really sure how the guard is supposed to lock on unless you're supposed to take it off, but I can always read the instructions. Might actually have to take this spring piece off. Put the guard underneath that. That might be what keeps it in. Bring the scale out and we can measure it or weigh it. Grab a little screwdriver. maybe not. Okay, see how it works. Put the screw back in. There it goes. So it slides under these tangs. So the spring just holds pressure on it. So as soon as you slide it, it's got this little groove right here. It's an okay design. It's not a great design. And you just turn it. There's not a lot of tension on it, so the guard could move. Okay. Bring the camera over here. Down. Okay, so we're going to weigh it without the handle. Weighs 4 pounds, 15.2 ounces. If we put the handle on it, it weighs 5 pounds, 6.1 ounces. Okay, and then I'll grab the battery. I have fully charged high output 6.0, which is what the unit came with. Okay. Yeah, we could. Guard. Okay. See how we can weigh this with the battery on it. I don't think we can weigh this with the battery on it because it's awkward, so I'm just going to weigh the battery by itself. The battery is 2 pounds, 6.7 ounces, or 6.4 ounces. And this was 5 pounds, 6.1, so it's 7 pounds, 12.4 ounces. Put the battery back on it. And move the scale out the way. real quick with the battery on it and the guard on it. It is about 19 inches long. If you're measuring from the head, if you don't have the guard on it, from the end of the battery, it's about 16 3/8. The widest portion of the motor housing, is 3 inches. The handle section width is 1 3/4 of an inch. It is nice that this unit you can, they provide you the spudger wrench. It's nice that they provide that wrench for you. In case something happens and like this flip up handle piece breaks or something like that, it's a nice feature. And then I will turn it on real quick. Has a nice brake to it. Sure, it will brake faster when there's a blade on it. So all in all, it's a pretty nice grinder. I think the next grinder that I buy is probably going to be the 7 and 9 inch grinder, which is the 15 amp power model. Move. Gotta bring everything up on the shelf so you guys can see it. So this is everything that came in the kit, including the bag. I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys want to know more specifications, if there is something that I missed, please let me know down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.